iLink is installed by going into Gmail, clicking on the Add-ons button, and then searching within the Google Workspace Marketplace for iLink, and selecting the listing, and clicking on Install. Accept the permissions, grant access, and the application will install. Once done, close the listing, and you can see that iLink is now added. If we click on it, it will ask us for our Oracle credentials. So use your normal login credentials, username, password, and the pod. The pod is the URL of Oracle when you're logged in, so just grab the URL from the address bar from any logged in Oracle session and paste it into the URL field. And now iLink will connect to Oracle. Now if we open any email, we'll run a search. In this case it's found a match on a contact based on the email address. If we log it, we'll save the email to Oracle. Let's open Oracle, and here we can see our logged email.